Ay, nami oh.
Naya! Naya! Self? You want to see yourself? Wait. Can you see yourself? You can see yourself? Nah? You can see yourself? Hi ka daw. Hi. Plankies ka daw. Kanda mag-plankies. Is it cold? Cold? Cold. Morning. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Tinuturo na niya yung Sunday school. Natanggal mo na jacket mo.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Brother. So pray for the family. Come to Shiva and express your condolences and just lift them up. Like I was sustained in this time of grief as well. So with all that said, I'm going to pray and entrust the rest of this time to God's care. Father, I thank you so much that we can come together as your
Naya! Run, 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 Naya. Oh! Ooh, so cold! Is it cold? Ah, ang dami na ng tuhod niya. Umupo ba siya doon sa family room? Bakit madami tuhod niya? Ayun na, mami. Ah! Oh, be careful, ah. Look right and left. Stop. And then right, left. If there's a car. Oh, so cold. Lamig. It's cold. Nagtago siya.
Oh,
so cold.
so cold. So windy, eh?
Oh no. So cold. Where's Naya? Naya. Where's Naya? Where's Naya? I found you. Where's Naya? Where's Naya? Found you. Oh no, no. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 Naya. Run, 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 run. Ang lamig. Hangin. Is it cold, Naya? Look at your hair. Is it cold? You got tired? You got tired?
So cold, my love.
Tired.
So tired? Yeah, so tired.
So tired.
So tired because it's so cold.
Pwede naman, Mema. Inom niya kanyan. Kasi Memo landit yan.
Can you drink water, please?
Inom siya yan. Oo.
A little bit more?
po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is January 26, Sunday. Katatapos lang ng church.
Drink your water.
Hindi
You what, cellphone?
nag-Sunday school si Janaya. Ayaw daw niya. Ayaw daddy, ayaw mami. Kahit anong pilit namin. Bakit kaya no din? Sumangtong siya.
Nung hinahanap niya, gusto niya nga maglaro. Kasi hinahanap ka niya. Gusto niya kasama ka. Eh, nung hindi ka na niya nakita, wala na siya sa mood.
Kasama namin siya sa loob. Yung video kong nagko-color siya. Yun. Sa loob siya. May kasalanan. Kasalanan niya, kasalanan natin.
Salamat.
Siya alam niyang may parating. Dapat mag-stay put siya.
Hindi siya tumingin ma.
Kaya nga.
Hindi siya
Kasalanan
tumingin
niya.
sa left.
Kasalanan ni Darin siya. May kasalanan niya.
Ikaw pa tinignan niya eh.
Siya may kasalanan niya. May parating na sasakyan. Mag-go siya. Hindi man pwede magtigil si Darin doon. Kanto yun. Ang daan ng sasakyan.
True.
Kung ano yun, mag-post ng traffic.
So currently is 12:07 ng tanghali. Punta lang kami ng Dollarama. Naghanap si daddy ng mat. Pakita ko sa screen mamaya. Pakita ko sa screen kung ano yung nahanap si daddy. $5 lang siya. Imbis na bilihan mo siya. Magkano kaya nito no? Normally magkano?
Chicken 15.
$15 normally. Or 20 na. Malaki. Kaya yun. Yun si Janaya. Cellphone.
I want cellphone, mama.
Kahapon masabi ni Janaya, Mommy, I want pizza.
Kala
Nagtanong.
mo naman nakakakain ng maraming pizza.
Tanong si daddy.
Dalawang kagat
Ano pagkain natin today? Pizza daw, sabi ni Janaya. Pizza. Naya, do you want pizza? You want pizza?
What pizza?
Yeah, you want pizza. Oh, say to daddy.
You will buy pizza?
Tell it to daddy.
Naya.
Naya, daddy's talking to you, ah.
Puta akakit niya mo king Alvin.
Naya, yeah. We will buy pizza?
Are we gonna buy pizza?
Janaya.
Daddy. Go na. Punta na kami. Rider. Ano nga mo yun, de? Ah, okay. Ba, sino manager dito? Malinis ang tindahan. Yeah, sa dulo. Ba, naka-facing. Ha? Iba na manager nito eh. Na-far out kasi yung ano.
I was looking to see if
Na-far out yung dating manager dito de. Ay, meron! Ang galing. Talagang nilagyan nila ng pwesto na eh.
Kaya ang tining crops na.
True. Oo nga. Sino may gusto de? Baka gusto ng mga ano mo. May ano akong hinahanap eh.
Ikaw ba?
Ha? Ganda. Ganda ng setup ah. Good job ah. Linis sa mata. Kalinis. Ito toys nila. Ganda. Uy. Empty. Nangyari. Walang internet. Hindi sa tindahan na lang. Bilhin mo na to. Guess what? It's gonna be me. Dahil punta lang ako ng kitchen aisle. Plastic. Ewan ko kung gusto ko ito o hindi. Isip-isip. Ganda. Hindi ko alam kung ano paglalagyan ko dyan.
Kita ko lang, baka gusto niyo.
Food scale. Meron na kasi tayo. Ah, ito rin yung ano oh. Bag.
Lepos lagi.
Kaya lang, sana may purple. Walang purple. Anong hanap mo? Anong hinahanap mo? Linis dito. Linis ah. Sino kayang ano dito? Sino kayang manager dito? Hey! What happened, Naya? What happened? Baba mo na siya deh. What happened? What did she say there? Oh, you walk. Come. You want to see the toys? You want to see the toys?
You want to see the toys? Okay.
Oh, let's go walk. Oh, punas din.
Look at the toys.
Umiyak. Bah, nakita niya yan agad? Ang gulo ng buhok manak ko. You put it back? Mommy help? Good job. Right there too. The other way. Oh, sorry. There. With Daddy. Nahanap mo de? May signal ka? You don't even know that.
What's that?
What's that? Baby, what's that?
I don't know that one.
Oopsie. Pick it up, nako. Pick it up. Here, let me help you.
May internet na mo? Anong sira yung
Boston pizza? Try mo sa Serville. Try mo yung Serville.
Go through pero pag ano, pag
Nagka-crash.
sabi ko na mo yung order ko.
Okay. Blippi. Here. It's Blippi. Yeah. There. Balik mo. Di dyan, dun sa sticker. Ay, grabe siya. Valentine's, Easter. That's a heart? Whoa! Is that a heart? Yeah. Mommy will put it back. Mabasag. Oopsie. No. Put it back the heart. Put it back the bottom. At the bottom, put it back there. Good job. Over there. Let's see over there. Look at that. There's a rabbit. Can I see? Oh. Dun. You know rabbit? You see the rabbit? Look at this. It's a chick. Right here. What's that?
Nice. I like it. But
How about this? Look at this. Wow. Egg. Yes, egg. There's an egg.
no, that didn't really cook it.
Pwede back, anak. Pwede back. Okay, let's go. See Daddy. Come. Let's go. See Daddy. Right there, Daddy. Daddy. Yeah, come on, Daddy. Let's go. Buhat. Buhat daw, Daddy. No, let's go. Buhat ka, Daddy.
1, 2, 3.
So cold. Is it cold? Gata. Naya. Junoyo. Busy na sa cellphone. Junoyo, Oren. You want pizza? You want pizza? Daddy will buy pizza. Where's Daddy? Buy pizza. Daddy's buy pizza. Yan po si Daddy. Boston pizza. Pizza daw, sabi ni Janaya. Di pizza tayo ngayon. Yan na si Daddy. Pits ko naabutan. Naya, Daddy's back. Right there. Sabi nila, Dad, tagal mo nang din pumunta dito. Hindi ka nila naalala. Ni Janet. Pero panggap ang sikat ni araw, mas malamig sa labas. Pag maaraw, malamig.
Ay!
Bakit? What do you mean?
Mag-Tim Hortons.
Ah, hindi mang masarap dito, di ba?
Doon na lang? Narin?
Oh. Di ba mapait siya dito?
Din, yan naman.
Bala ka.
Chai Timis.
Akala ba may ano ka sa lamunan? Mag-juice ka na lang? Honey, lemon.
Total na.
Puta. Ay. Sore,
Wala nang maling liban.
sore throat pa more. Yan o, lalabas ka dun. Paglabas dito, dun ka pumunta sa Timis.
Hinihintayin mo lang pala yung mga mayari na.
Yes. Or, atras ka, ako walang sasakyan sa likod.
No ka rin niya.
Yan.
Yun eh. Timmy siya na yung ano.
Yeah.
Kasalihan eh.
Pwede.
These things.
Para?
Hi, one large ice cup, please.
Large ice cup?
Yeah,
That's it?
that's it. Thank you.
Daddy.
Ilang pesto nung drive-thru nila dito.
Labasan yung
Sakto sa entrance.
naging indoor woman si ate. Nauna ka pa kayo dito sa isa de.
Baka ang daming in-order.
Pang lunch nila. Dito lunch. Pwede na sa kanila ang kape at saka tinapay. That's it. Yun na ang lunch. Pwede na pa na.
Yeah, visa please.
420 please.
Oopsie! Bless you!
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Yes, well, can I ask for sleep?
Pardon?
Sleep.
Asleep, yes.
O, see? Mapait ang itsura. Kulay,
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
Yes, well.
kulay black.
Hindi man. Okay lang.
Kulay black.
Okay lang.
Kulay black. Hindi siya ano, coffee mate itsura.
Gusto na search na rin yung power window.
Siyempre, nangalawang nasa loob.
Kasi may gamit eh.
Pwede ka mag-ride? Hintayin mo to? O pwede hindi. Wala naman nakasulat no right turn.
Pwede, pero may sasakyan eh.
Sayang. Alam sana sila kanina. Kung nandun pa sila.
Where are you going?
Where do you want to sit?
Here?
Oh, here? Oh! Pizza! Yeah. What are you gonna say to Daddy?
Sit.
Yeah, I will sit. Yeah, I will sit. What are you gonna say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want pizza, Daddy. I want pizza.
This?
Oh, you hold it. Yeah, hold it. Mmm. Yummy.
You want pansit?
Pansit. Ah. Yeah. Yummy pizza.
Ay, pansit.
So, 1:40 na lang hapon. Kakawin namin. Let's eat. Sabi ni Janaya, I want pizza, Mommy. So, pizza tayo today.
Please, let's add just a few things.
Susie, stop doing nonsense. I
It's
haven't
too
been ready to be going.
loud, no?
If you say so. I think we still need one big tool.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. Something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Naya. 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 Naya, you tell them. Yummy pizza? Uy, uy, uy. Yummy pizza? Yummy pizza? Nakarami din siya. Anong oras na? 2:30. Ito na hapon. Pahinga lang ng konti. Tapos, tulog kami ni Janaya. Hindi na kami nakauwi. 1:30. So, umaga na yun, ha? Hindi man kami lumabas. Pumunta lang kami ng Dalarama. Cellphone pa mo. iPad pa mo.